because they'll see the glint.
Oh my
Oh god.
Tank coming up.
Oh god.
I'm gonna try and... I hit it once. They're running, I'm gonna try and blow it up. Hit it again.
Nice, nice.
Blew it up.
Nice, whole squad one.
Oh my god.
There's more tanks though. That was one of like 3.
Sniper, use cover.
We can start third partying. I think we're good to start shooting. Pretty weak. Got one over there.
We've got a danger point.
Got that guy for 97 behind the orange van right here.
I'm finishing him off. I'm calling my strike on the guys west.
Yeah, you got it. On the way.
Oh,
They're
this
running,
is
they're
so
running,
good.
they're running. Got one.
Can you put an ammo bag down?
I have one down over by me.
Okay.
I see him down there. They're right down here on the side of the fence.
I'm just shooting through the fence blind. I hit one a good bit.
Yep.
Right of the big tank. Left of the big tank.
That guy's lit up too.
53.
One guy's running back.
Got a danger point.
Anybody got the ammo bag? Yeah, put it down.
I threw another
Thank
one.
you.
Trying to finish the down bodies. Anyone have a cluster?
Let's watch our
airstrike,
left.
anything?
Watch our left. I do not. I don't know.
Left laying down. Oh.
Calling one
Watch
on
out.
us.
Run to the left. Run down left.
Got one.
Nice. All right, one team.
Keep. Oh, you're running out of ammo.
There's another one. Anyone?
Oh,
Where are
30
they?
shots left. There you go.
What'd you say?
Anyone know where they
You
are?
only got 30s left. 30 shots.
No, I don't know. I don't know.
They just ran out of the fence thing.
Yep. Yep.
Let's go!
Nice.
Nice.
Let's go.
There we
Come on,
go.
let's go.
There we go.
23 kills.
There we go.
Nice.
Come on,
Wait,
guys.
each? Wait, each?
yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, not each? Oh, I guess it wasn't that good.
There we go. About time.
Good shit. Good shit.
Go.
Or they're in the room below us.
Yeah, they're on the roof.
So a helicopter.
I don't know if they gotta get off now or what. Yep, they're getting off.
Another strike. Oh my god.
We're danger close to an airstrike. Clear out.
Oh,
Another
three
airstrike. Oh my god.
It's not on my map. It's literally not on my map.
4. Another one.
Oh,
my
not
god. 4 airstrikes.
I hear him up here.
People landed on the roof. A lot of people.
Drop down.
Drop down. Got one. I shot one a lot, but I'm dead.
It fell down. Zipping up.
Me too.
Oh god, get down, get down.
3 airstrikes. 3 airstrikes. What is going on? Yeah, they're
That's
in
good?
the they're in the air station on the 2nd floor. They're spraying out at the other guys. Killed one of the other guys.
The fire.
Drone. It just droned me. Ouch.
Someone died.
I'm on the roof. Yeah, they're dying.
The
from the fire.
helicopter. Oh, I see them. They're down there looking at us.
Alright, someone play zone. I'm gonna try and kill.
I'm gonna jump.
I'm jumped. I
Just
jumped.
stay in the air.
Just someone, yeah, someone play zone and live.
They're dropping. They dropped.
I got one.
How do
I'm
you
playing
even play
zone.
in that? Oh shit, I fucked that up.
Oh, what? Oh, he's right down here. He's walking around.
Let's go.
Here we go.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna say they're
Yeah,
fucked. They
just
can't do
tower
anything.
dub, bro.
That was
Tower
That's
dub.
legendary.
that was a legendary dub.
Tower dub.
Got ammunition over here. Take it.
They're coming around the backside of Gulf.
That area looks.
And the fight over here.
Did he finish you? I was literally shooting him on top of you and he finished you. Heli just landed here. Killed him. It just blasted Bennett, what the fuck? It just landed and destroyed you. That guy's dead. No, there's one more. Other side, other side. Let's go. Kev, crawl, just crawl, Kev. Good shit, VA. No, they're shooting here. From the hills. Way on the hill. I'm getting teammate, I'm getting other teammate. Good shit, good shit. We have no cover and they're on the hill. I'm gonna try and move up where I can, but... Yeah, I don't know exactly where the other team is, but... I'm guessing on the hill somewhere. I gave away our position, but I'd shoot back. Well, I'm just hoping the other squad wasn't sitting like right here. This is kind of nice. Right on the hill. Alright, last squad on the other side of the hill. The guy's shooting at us. I grab this guy's plates real quick, and I'll help. On the hill, just resin. They're all laying down. Let's go! Let's go! Come on! 27 kill dub, let's go! There we go! Woo! Yeah, Kate's first dub! Yes, he did. Killed and he got he got me back, got you back, and I got the other teammate back. Good shit, VA. Yeah, 8 kills, VA. Come on.
Getting shot at.
On the hill across. I hit one for 6-7.
Use caution.
Also, guys, yeah.
Okay, and I cracked one of those guys coming out of chemical. I'm pushing forward a little bit.
Yep. I need to get away from these snipers.
Hit me once.
I'm gonna try and take the chemical guys down. Two guys coming from chemical.
No.
Got one. Other one's weak.
He's on the outside of the fence.
I need help if you could hit, if you can shoot.
I'm coming.
I'm getting lame. He's in the road,
Yeah, he's in the bushes. You're good.
Thanks.
It's behind the shit.
We gotta get
One
cover.
shot, he's one shot. Just fuck him up,
Boys,
one
right
shot.
Here, 4 of them, right here, 4 of them.
Where is he? Yep.
I'm gonna try to drone him.
I got hit east 120.
Yeah, they're just sitting on that hill.
I
Dead?
hurt him a little bit.
Oh my god, bro.
Can you get him, William? I don't know.
Yeah.
It's scary.
No, I'm gonna die.
No.
Ah,
No.
Yes. I
Good
got
shit,
him.
good shit. They're on the hill. I'm plating and I'll start
on the
shooting.
wall.
Anyone have any plates?
Nope.
I just got this one.
Hey, there's a defib in here.
Oh, give me.
Oh,
They're
man,
just
I mean,
right up
he's-
the
he's
fucking
weak.
hill.
He's weak. I downed one or two of them. Oh man, he's picking them up. Oh man.
Fuck. To the right. One to the right and a few to the left. I'm one shot. There's up the fucking hill.
You guys got it. You see him. He's right there. Aim, aim.
Oh my god.
Got one. I'm so weak.
Cracked one. Fuck, this is it getting ugly.
I'm dead. One's
What?
one.
I thought you got him for sure.
You're a lifesaver.
Got one.
Way to
Nice,
go.
Aiden.
Fuck.
Well done.
Nice.
Got two. I got two. I got two.
I think there's only one left.
Killed one.
I see him. I see him. I see the last guy.
Get them all.
Let's go! Come on! Just shat on those dudes.
Oh no!
29. No.
Fuck, dude, we tough
Dude, we
as
are
hell.
hot. We are red hot.
We are locked in, bro. We're locked in.
Come on. That's back to back, right?
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
back.
Yes.
No! 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 No!
Where?
In the house right behind the truck.
This broken house.
Yep. Yep. Right over there. And that the one on the left, the really broken one, is just on top.
Just got
Hiding
sniped
in
at.
those rocks.
Rat behavior.
Right
Trying
here.
to get plates. I found some plates and then.
Oh my fucking god, he's in the corner under the staircase.
Got him.
That was
Just rat.
Oh,
You guys got this. Muffy. Oh, Muffy just got
Good
one.
shit,
Muffy
good
got
shit.
one. There's one on your left. Jones, looks like.
Strike on Muppy.
Yep.
Got these guys. Last squad. Last squad.
nice.
You guys got it. You guys got it. Jones, check your drone.
Keep eyes.
quick.
Keep
Yep.
eyes
Oh,
open.
he's right. To your left. To your left. Right behind the car.
Oh, yep.
Laying down
Oh
behind
yep,
the
over
car.
here.
He's
That's the
running.
last one.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Go.
There we go.
Go.
There
Dude,
we
I played
go.
like dog shit in that game.
This is a wild zone. Pretty cool.
This is a World War I type zone right now. I don't even know.
I finally got eyes. I broke the guy. Guy pretty close in front of you guys.
Got him.
Nice.
I shredded one of them.
Yep, they're behind there.
Ordnance inbound. Get clear.
One guy's broke.
Yeah, I hit him again too. I need plates bad.
I got two for you.
I mean, sorry, ammo. Sorry.
Oh shit. Oh man.
Heads up.
Are those guys looping around behind us? Ow! No!
Only one team stands.
It's the team that
Anyone
killed
wanna revive
Lamers.
me quick?
They are right here. Two of them. And he's droning as well. Stop picking him.
I got one.
Killed him.
The other one's weak. The other one's weak.
Yes, boys.
Let's go. There we go.
Yeah.
Nice
Let's
finish.
go. That's huge.
That was a good game.
That was a good ass game.
It was a clean game.
Yeah,
nobody
it was
even
very
saw
Clean
us.
game.
Squad is front. Enemies tracking.
Yo, what the fuck is that? Come get me, brother. Damn.
Last one
This game's so fucking ass. One more up there, probably. Probably in your zip line.
You don't want to get trapped by the Inferno. Heads up. Your grid's about to be compromised by NXC.
Behind you. Big win! Big win, brother! Big win, brother! Big win, brother! Good job, Jelly Beansky!